Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming accounts and updates because they prevent billing and playback problems. Sign into the Google account you'll use, then update the YouTube app from Google Play or Galaxy Store to get the latest premium options. Once done, open YouTube, tap your avatar, and choose purchases and memberships to begin the premium sign-up flow. Make sure your device accepts your chosen payment method. This avoids interruptions when the subscription is charged and enables immediate ad-free playback and downloads. Now you select the plan and payment so premium works how you want. Choose individual, family, or student based on usage and device limits. Once selected, confirm payment. Google Play, card, PayPal, or carrier billing if available on Samsung. After subscribing, enable background play and select download quality from YouTube settings right arrow downloads so videos play with the screen off and sync for offline viewing. Also, confirm family sharing members in your Google Family group to let others use the subscription. Finish by verifying features work. Play a video to confirm no ads, lock screen to check background play, and download one video on Wi-Fi to test offline access. Sign into the same Google account on other Samsung devices to sync purchases, and turn on smart downloads if you want automatic offline content. If something goes wrong, clear the YouTube app cache, update the app, and double-check your payment method and region. These fixes resolve most subscription and playback errors quickly so you stay watching without interruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.